Welcome back to my channel. It's Ava Shoshana, and in today's video I have a drinking water system from Bluevua. Here's a side view of the machine, and as you can see it's about 3/4 full, which isn't enough to use it. So as you see, when it gets to this high, the level of the water, that's not enough. You have to refill it. There's the max. This is how you remove the top. And there's the handle. You just pull it out gently. Let me head to the sink and fill this up to the max. Make sure you place it securely back into the position. Now everything's locked in. Let's turn it on. Here's a look at the filtration system, 4 levels. Here's the back of the machine. Make sure you turn the switch on so when you plug it in, it works. Now the jar that comes with the machine, make sure you place it correctly so when the water comes out of the filtration, it doesn't splatter everywhere. In the front there's more instructions right there to help you use the machine, but now I will be showing you the sensors. That's for a 1/4 cup. That's blinking right now. That's for 1/2 a jar and full jar. I'm going to start with the 1/4 jar. Press the start button. To fill this jar 1/4 of a way up, it should take less than 2 minutes. So I'm just gonna sit here and wait as you guys can watch and see. Now those 4 filters that we saw earlier are represented by these 4 rows on the screen. So whichever filter starts to get low, there will be a bar that goes out. Currently there's 4 horizontal bars within the vertical bars. So whenever the filter gets low, it's going to start blinking, and there will be a level of a bar that goes lower and lower until it is completely out, and that will let you know you need to change the filter. You may be asking, why did I purchase this particular filtration system? Well, not only does it filter out the fine sand and rust, but also fungi, viruses, heavy metals, chlorine, mercury, fluoride, which is something I was looking for in particular. And yes, so I purchased this one just for that. So after about 2 minutes, you have 16 ounces of water. Not much water was used in the water tank. So now I'm going to hit the middle sensor, which will eventually fill up the rest of the jar. And there we have it. Now let's see how much was used. Yeah, about halfway. So I have another 16 ounces I could use. Now that it's full, this is about 57 ounces of drinking water that we have. So this is roughly half a gallon, which I try to drink at least every day. I try to drink at least a half a gallon of water. Eventually I'll make my way up to a gallon, but for now, this has helped me. So that was my video, and I thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.